live with the water cycle. I'm ice, water, gas. I feel the pain that he experiences when pollution holds his breath.
I live with the roots of the earth. I hear her again and again.
So my heart aches when I see her crying for deeply pain.
I live by the breath of air. I am the breeze, the wind, the storm.
So my heart aches every moment when pollution never go on.
I live with raindrops that beneath the dry ground around.
So my soul hurts when acid kills artists and hungry animals.
I live in the sunlight that gives life to the earth, but I'm also in the ozone hole that people have built.
I live with the ocean-based creation more and more, but man sank sick with pain when the plastic gets the more share.
I live in the wings of a bird, with the beak or in the paws. I live, but if the ice melts from the heat, how can I live?
I am just a simple man. I am water or air. If I don't care about the climate, what generation will get?
I want to be a flower to sing without pain.
So give me all a hand for the earth to breathe again.